Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming you meet the prerequisites and taking the first steps now. Sign into the device with your Apple ID and password. This is the simplest way to remove activation lock. Once signed in, open Settings, tap your name, then Find My and turn off Find My iPhone. Make sure you have network access so settings sync. If you cannot sign in, stop here and prepare proof of purchase. Apple will require it for removal by support. If you cannot sign in on the device, continue with remote removal steps. On a browser, sign into iCloud. With your Apple ID, go to Find iPhone, select the device and choose Remove from Account. This disables activation lock once the device is erased. If you're not the owner, ask the previous owner to remove the device from their iCloud remotely. Make sure to record the device serial or IMEI and have the original receipt ready. You'll need those for verification by Apple support. Finish by erasing the device and verifying activation lock is gone. Go to Settings, General Reset, erase all content and settings, then set up as new. Once done, confirm activation lock no longer appears. If the lock persists, contact Apple support and submit proof of purchase and ID. They can remove it after verification. If Apple denies the request, double-check the receipt matches serial/IMEI and obtain the prior owner's contact details. That usually resolves remaining.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.